Sometimes, as we grow older, there comes a moment, maybe early in the morning, when we swing our legs over the side of the bed, or late in the afternoon when we stand up from our favorite chair, when a quiet ache runs through the legs, a heaviness that feels deeper than ordinary tiredness. And in that moment, many seniors wonder if this is simply the new normal, if discomfort has silently become part of daily life. And it can be frightening to imagine that mobility may slowly slip away without warning, yet you are not alone in that feeling. And there is something deeply reassuring in knowing that the body, even in its later chapters, still responds to gentle care, simple foods, and small habits that respect its wisdom. And sometimes the path toward relief begins with something as humble as a vegetable you may already have in your kitchen. Leg pain in older adults often stems from circulation issues, inflammation in the muscles, or the slow weakening of tissues that once recovered overnight without a thought. And though this experience can feel mysterious, there is a soft scientific explanation behind it. Our blood vessels may narrow slightly with age, nerves may become more sensitive, and the muscles in the calves and thighs depend heavily on micronutrients, especially magnesium, potassium, and natural antioxidants, to stay relaxed and well-nourished. And when these nutrients run low, even simple movements can feel tight or strained. That is why, when we talk about natural remedies, we are not speaking about miracles or overnight transformations, but rather about foods that support the body's quiet repair work from the inside. And among these foods, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard hold a special place, offering a gentle combination of minerals, hydration, fiber, and plant-based compounds that soothe inflammation in a way the body understands. Eating these vegetables daily may sound almost too simple, but there's a calm kind of power in simplicity, and the body's tissues respond beautifully to consistent nourishment. Leafy greens help widen blood vessels slightly due to their natural nitrates, allowing oxygen to flow more freely through the legs, bringing warmth, reducing cramping, and easing that dull, dragging heaviness that so many seniors feel at the end of the day. To use this remedy effectively, try incorporating at least 1 cup of cooked leafy greens, or 2 cups raw, into your daily meals, and it doesn't have to be complicated. A small bowl of steamed spinach with a drizzle of olive oil, a handful of kale stirred gently into warm soup, or a morning omelet filled with soft sautéed Swiss chard works wonderfully. The key is consistency, making it part of your routine, the way you might enjoy a cup of tea or a quiet moment of reflection. For even better results, seniors can pair these vegetables with a source of healthy fat, such as olive oil, avocado, or a few nuts, because these fats help the body absorb vital nutrients more effectively, especially the fat-soluble vitamins that support nerve comfort and reduce inflammation in the lower limbs. When taken daily, these vegetables begin to nourish the muscles with magnesium, easing nighttime leg cramps. They support potassium balance, reducing stiffness, and their antioxidants calm the gentle swelling that accumulates in the tissues as we age, providing relief not in a dramatic flash, but gradually, like a soft morning light filling a room. Within a week or two of steady use, many seniors notice subtle shifts. Perhaps the legs feel a little lighter when standing up, or the morning stiffness fades sooner, or the long walk from the bedroom to the kitchen feels slightly smoother. It may begin with tiny changes, but tiny changes are still changes, and the body knows how to build on them. As weeks pass, the warmth in the legs may return, the feeling of circulation improving, the sensation of muscles releasing instead of tightening, and the quiet confidence of moving without bracing for pain begins to grow. It is not about feeling 18 in the literal sense, but about rediscovering the ease, steadiness, and inner comfort that aging does not have to take away. What matters most is that each day you choose to feed your body something that supports healing, something that nudges inflammation downward, something that reminds your muscles and joints that they are still cared for. It can be comforting to remember that wellness at this stage of life is not about perfection, not about strict diets or dramatic changes, but rather about rituals, small, repeatable acts that nourish the body gently and consistently. Eating leafy greens daily is one such ritual. And when paired with staying hydrated, moving the legs regularly, and allowing moments of rest, it forms a circle of care that supports your mobility in ways you can feel over time. As you continue this habit, Try paying attention to the sensations in your legs, the way warmth returns after a short walk, the way heaviness lifts when blood flows more freely, the way the body sighs in relief when inflammation begins to settle. Noticing these moments helps reinforce the understanding that you are not helpless in the face of aging, that your body is still listening, still responding, still capable of comfort and strength. And as you move through your days, allow yourself to feel grateful for every small improvement, every gentle release, every moment when standing, stepping, or stretching feels even slightly easier than before, because gratitude itself nourishes the heart in ways science continues to discover. In the end, this journey is not just about reducing leg pain. It is about reclaiming a sense of freedom, of possibility, of confidence in your body's ability to adapt and heal. And it is about remembering that even in later years, you can give yourself care that truly matters. So as you choose your meals each day, let these simple vegetables remind you that wellness does not always come from something new or complicated, but often from returning to the earth's quiet offerings, trusting them, and allowing them to steadily restore what time has challenged. And as you continue this gentle path, may you feel hope rising again, soft, steady, and reassuring, because your body still has the capacity to surprise you, to strengthen you, and to carry you forward with more ease than you might have believed.